I found her on a rainy night, drenched and shivering under a street lamp. Bringing her home felt like the kind thing to do, but now, every night at 3 a.m., she stares at the same corner in my bedroom, her eyes wide with terror, hissing at something I can't see. At first, I thought it was just a quirk, something she'd grow out of. But then I started waking up with scratches on my legs, deep and fresh, despite locking her out of the room. Last night, I decided to set up my phone to record. The footage showed her, eyes glowing with fear, but what terrified me was the shadowy figure that peered behind her, whispering my name. I could almost feel its icy breath on my neck as I watched. This morning, the scratches formed a word: leave. I'm starting to think I wasn't the one who adopted the cat. Maybe it was her who brought something with her, something that now wants me gone.